Your beard is itchy, it feels like shit. What are you gonna do? Well, you have a number of options. First of all, what do you do to it? Do you do nothing? Do you just really do nothing and hope that it works out? That's not the way that it works at all. So first you want to realize the problem. Is it itchy or is it dry? Well, if it's itchy, you're going to want to do a few things. First, you're going to want to grab shampoo. This stuff does wonders. It's going to help clean everything, but it's also going to keep the moisture in there. So it's not going to dry you out. You're not going to have to really add much on top of it. This stuff will be your goddamn best friend. I promise you that. But that's not it. You got to do more than that. Unfortunately, it's never that fucking easy. So after you use shampoo, you want to get out, dry your beard off. Then you're going to use oil. What does oil do? It does a number of things. It's going to help lock in the moisture into your beard. So you're going to feel it on your skin, you're going to feel it on the hair. You're not going to be having dandruff or look like a goddamn snowfall on your black shirt anymore. You're going to feel confident in yourself and you're going to smell fucking terrific. Next, is it super dense or is it super dry to clean your dishes beard? Well, you want to try Beard Balm. What Beard Balm is going to do is help moisturize everything, but it's also going to tame all the crazy flyaways you have as well. It's going to last all day, it washes out, it doesn't feel sticky or tacky or anything. It feels great and you look luscious. So if you think this is going to help your beard, or you know nothing about your beard and you need help for your beard, click the link, subscribe, stay tuned, and stay groovy.